People are driving on it.
Yeah, I put a lot of these videos and shit on YouTube. Came out nice, real fucking. Compared to what these cracks look like.
Yeah, they're filled in. They're deep because I washed them out.
Yeah, a lot of when we blow it, I just blow the cracks. You clean them out a little bit, but yeah, washing them is good. You're supposed to clean them a half of an inch, quarter of an inch. You're supposed to clean that shit out. Well, this is like a freebie right here, right?
What's going on out here, man?
Traffic, so it's a path of travel. It's still called a Morgan Hill Car Wash?
Town and Country Car Wash.
Town and Country. I thought it was called a Morgan Hill Car all these years.